Nag-iipon ka ba?
Wait lang, love din. Natutuwa lang kasi ako doon.
Iyak talaga ako! Iyak na din ako. Grabe ka. Ay! Ano to? Hindi kami lang yung hindi na kami
Apo, basang-basa na po yung lupan nyo. Ewan ko po kung ba't umiiyak.
Iyak din talaga ako kasi it was a very good movie. It was very inspiring for the younger generation. So,
Happy Valentine! Please watch XX Lover. It's just a different tier. Like the caliber, I'm just amazed.
Marvin, Jolina, if you see this.
Yeah, hi Marvin!
We love you!
We love you so much!
10 stars! Valentine's, ang wish ko lang ay sa Marvin Agustin. Hindi man tayo close, pero grabe, pinatibok niyo yung puso namin.
But oh my gosh, I can see this.
Oh,
Picture ako if I see them, I swear. Best rom-com. I love them.
Of this century.
Hands down.